Put your hands together. Come on, everybody. Put your hands together. Bay Area gospel industry, get ready for a sound that's getting ready to be released into the atmosphere. I'm talking about Mark Yandris and a sound for God's house. This CD is going to bless your life. There's songs on there that will usher you into the presence of God. I want you to go out. I want you to get it. Remember, Mark Yandris, a sound for God's house, coming soon.
Hi. I'm Joe Ramirez from KYCC in Stockton, California. I'm excited about Mark Yandris' latest release, which is entitled A Song for God's House. Knowing Mark for many, many years, I know you're going to enjoy his ministry.
So what's your message that you can say that you want to convey that God is giving you to the world?
It's called A Sound for God's House.
Wow.
And I've traveled the nation for the last 2 years, and I've just been asking a lot of people, what's missing? What do you want back in the church?
Wow.
I really believe this music is directly from heaven. It's just treasures from heaven.
You have a gift, I believe, from what I'm hearing, from writing good praise and worship music, because as you said earlier, your father was a pastor for over 50 years. You've lived this lifestyle of gospel music.